If you want to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case you want to open Settings. Now over here in Settings, we should be able to go to More Connectivity Options, and then in here we can find the data usage. And there we go. In here we have the data usage of your SIM. You should be able to scroll down in order to see the list of apps, and they are sorted by the amount of data they have used in well, today actually, but you can tap on this information that we have at the top of the list in order to switch to yesterday, last month, or this month. You can also tap on these arrows that we have in the upper right corner to switch to Wi-Fi usage. And if you have two SIMs that you use on your phone, if you want to check the data usage for that other SIM, then you have to go to the default SIM settings. So in settings, you want to go to mobile networks, and then here we need to switch the data SIM for the other SIM, let's say for SIM 2 in this case. And then we can go back to these settings, and then you can see the data usage for that other SIM. Leave a like and subscribe.